Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Nizzy, and today I'll be showing you guys how I got this look. This is my everyday makeup routine. I was debating on this lip or ochre with Damn Gina on top, which was from my last video, the Kylie Cosmetics collaboration. So if you haven't seen that video, go check it out. And I also have an updated eyebrow tutorial. You should go and check that out as well, because I had my eyebrows already done before I started the video. So if you want to see how I do my eyebrows, I'll link that below. Yeah, so continue watching if you want to see how I got this look.
So what I'm doing right now is applying orange color corrector, and this is by LA Girl. What this does is it gets rid of the dark blemishes on your face so that you can have an even skin tone for when you're applying foundation. And I'm blending that out, of course. Now I'm applying foundation, and this foundation is the NARS All Day Luminous Foundation in the color Trinidad. And I really like this foundation. It reminds me of the MAC Studio Fix foundation, which I always have a love for. And I'm just blending that out. Just blending. You know, blending is key. Now I'm applying my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in Caramel, and I'm using that to highlight the high points of my face. Just blending that out with my beauty blender. Just blending, making sure that all the parts are blended properly. Then I'm adding my Laura Mercier translucent powder to the places that I added concealer to just set that so it stays in place all day. Still setting my face. Now I'm applying contour. I'm using the CoverGirl Queen bronzer. Still my favorite bronzer up to this day. And I'm using my BH Cosmetics contour brush. Doing my other side. This is like one of my favorite parts of doing my makeup. Then I'm using my MAC Dark Deep Mineralized Skin Finish to just set the rest of my face, give my face back some color. Now I'm applying some Laura Mercier powder underneath the contour that I just did to make sure that it's sharper. Now I'm doing the other side, making sure that that contour is just clean and precise. Now I'm adding highlighter to my face using this Inglot Sparkling Dust in the number 3 to highlight my cheekbones and my nose. Now I'm highlighting my brow bone using my Urban Decay setting spray to set my face. Then I'm adding ochre to my face, which I never used in the end, as you can see. And that's it for the finished look, guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye! Mwah.